welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a kind of impromptu project for you. I found this while I was clearing out my craft room the other day. And I thought, these are really cool and I've never shared them with you. So these are the silver Mini Gable Boxes from the Spring Summer catalogue. And I do happen to know there are some similar in the annual catalogue. And they're really cute, but I've got one. So it must have come in a make and take packet or something at some point. And I thought I would share with you how I was going to put it together. So they come flat. There are probably something like 8 in a pack, I want to say. All the details will be on my blog, link in the down bar below. Down there. And they're really shiny, so it's probably throwing the white balance of the camera off rather. But they do come flat pack, so they're really, really adorable. So I'm going to put this one up quite simply just by folding it the other way. And kind of folding on all of those score lines. You can see them, they're really clear. As you can, it would be easier if I didn't have all this stuff on my desk, of course, but you know. Trying to make a video here. I'm going to fold that one that way. And that there. And then we're going to fold all of the bottom bits in. And these, I love the bottoms of these. They can't see, it's already put itself together. So you put the sides in first, then you put this bit in that's got the cutout in the middle. Then you've got the bit with the tab, and you just push. Push, 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 until it until it should click. I'll tell you why. Let's do that in the right order, shall we? Bottom in. Bottom in, then the sides in. So that cut out bit, then the sides, and then this bit. Then you push, and it just stays shut. It's cute. You could fit in there tea lights, handmade soap, sweeties. They're really cute with sweeties in. And then to close them, you just put the handles together, pop it down, and then these bits slot over there like that, and then you've got this cute little box. It's adorable, absolutely adorable. To decorate it up, I have got a piece of designer series paper. This is from the Oh So Eclectic pack. They are about 2 inches tall, so this is 1 3/4. I'm going to pop it down in the middle, and I'm just going to kind of fold with my fingers around like that. So I've got kind of basically where the fold lines are. And then I'll come in and fold them with my bone folder after that. And that just means that I can make sure the score lines are absolutely kind of in the right place, rather than trying to measure it and get all technical. No, just yeah. Does that make sense? Hope it makes sense. My brain isn't making a lot of sense at the moment. I am filming this the week before on stage, and yeah, life's gone crazy. So we're going to pop that back round again. And it doesn't quite fit. That's a shame, isn't it? But it's okay, because we're going to cover it up. So I'm going to pop some snail on either end, and then in that middle bit across there. So once again, round. So that will sit there like that. Slot that in, and then get it completely in the wrong place because you need it to sit off of it. Oh, you know. Sometimes videos go well, and sometimes you probably should just stop. But no, we'll carry on. So try it that way. That's better. I'll slot it there like that. Then it'll come round and it'll sit. So there's still a bit of silver at the bottom, and you've got that gap that's going to be at the front. I have got the All Things Thanks stamp set. I love this one for thank you notes. It makes thank you cards and notes things really, really easy, because there's just loads of different thank yous. Thanks for joining us. Thank you for welcoming our newest arrival. That'd be really cute. Thank you for being a part of our happily ever after. So you got wedding thank yous, kind of post baby thank yous. Thanks for that thing you did. You are amazing. I should send that to every single one of my customers, because they're all amazing. Love them all. I have gone ahead and used my layering circles framelets even, to die cut a scallop circle from Tranquil Tide and a lemon lime circle from a straight circle from Lemon Lime Twist. Lemon, oh dear. Yeah, this is not going to get good ratings, this video, is it? Oh well, you're crafting with me as if it was live, folks. And Tranquil Tide ink. So we're going to ink that up and stamp that straight on there. And then just while that dries a second, I'm going to take my sponge and some Tranquil Tide ink, and I'm just going to sponge the edges. And this just kind of will break up that harsh edge between the cardstock, the lemon cardstock, and the Tranquil Tide cardstock. There, like so. A little bit anyway. And then, this is fun, isn't it? Right, fast fuse, snail on the back of there. Oh, it's because I've got fast fuse in front of me. That there, like that. We're gonna pop snail straight across the back, and then sit that like on the seam. Now it is too big. It is going to pop out over the top, but that's absolutely fine. And then you could add ribbon, you could add a big fat bow, you could add gems and rhinestones and sparkly things, but that's kind of the basis of the project. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. As always, anything you've seen in my videos can be purchased in my online store. Link is in the down bar below, or you can find it via my blog, StampinByHannah.co.uk. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.